Marketing 101.
Marketing environment.
The marketing environment encompasses all the internal and external factors that influence a company's marketing activities. Understanding this environment is crucial for businesses to make informed decisions and develop effective marketing strategies. Here's a breakdown of key aspects.
Key components.
Internal environment. These are factors within the company's control, such as company culture, resources, financial, human, etc. Marketing budget, product or service quality. External environment. These are factors outside the company's control, and they can be further divided. Microenvironment. Factors that directly affect the company, including customers, suppliers, competitors. Marketing intermediaries, for example, distributors, publics. Macroenvironment. Broader societal forces that affect the entire industry, including political factors, government policies, regulations, and political stability. Economic factors, economic growth, inflation, interest rates, and consumer spending. Social factors, demographic trends, cultural values, and lifestyle changes. Technological factors, technological advancements, innovations, and automation. Legal factors, laws and regulations affecting business operations. Environmental factors, environmental concerns, sustainability, and climate change, often referred to as PESEL analysis.
Importance of analyzing the marketing environment.
Identifying opportunities and threats. By understanding the external environment, businesses can identify potential opportunities for growth and anticipate potential threats to their operations. Strategic planning. Environmental analysis provides valuable insights that inform strategic decision-making, enabling organizations to adapt their strategies to changing market conditions. Staying competitive. It helps businesses stay ahead of the competition by monitoring industry trends, competitor activities, and emerging technologies. Adapting to change. The marketing environment is always changing, so companies have to remain flexible and able to change with the current trends. In essence, a thorough understanding of the marketing environment allows businesses to make informed decisions, develop effective marketing strategies, and ultimately achieve their goals.